Hi, for our video today, someone asked me a question on how to sign flower in American Sign Language, Filipino Sign Language, and Korean Sign Language. So today, I'll share with you flower, but I'll add a bonus. We will use it in a sentence. To sign flower in American Sign Language, it's this like a small flower and then you put it on your cheek. Flower, like rosy cheeks. In Filipino Sign Language, it's with an F sign and you put it on your cheek as well. There's another sign in Filipino Sign Language. It's like this. Flower is like flower bloom. In Korean Sign Language, flower is kut and it's signed like this. So it's like a blooming flower as well. Now for the bonus part. Flowers for you because I love you. In Filipino, bulaklak para sa'yo dahil mahal kita. In Korean, kut sa'yo 왜냐하면 사랑해요. But since love is a universal language, we can say for all three languages, I love you or 사랑해요. Hi, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please write in the comments below. See you in the next video.